All right, so we are here with this 01 Z06 Corvette, and I put on the Corvette Creationz fiberglass wide body rear fenders on this. So this is what they look like when the car is all done. I am not impressed with these things. They were pretty awful to get lined up, and of course, which if you've seen my other videos, we ditched the front fenders because they didn't fit, wasn't even close to fitting, so we ditched those. Luckily I got the rears to work good enough, but I spent a lot of time getting these lines to look good, and they look pretty decent, but they are not perfect, not even for what a Corvette should look like. And I know these weren't built with the most gorgeous lines anyways. This side was the one that I had to do the most work on. There was dents and waves and just so much crap on these that it was such a long process to make fit. So they look okay now, they're pretty straight now, but if you were just gonna slap these things on, it would be a nightmare. It would look like crap. So you know, the big thing I really don't like are the lines. Like down here, this line is not that good. When I open up this door, driver's side, like this gap in here is horrible compared to what the OEM would look like, especially something like this. You know, this huge gap is just, it's terrible looking. So if I were to put the OEM quarter panel on, this gap would be nice and small, tight. Everything would be flush in here. I mean, this you could catch yourself on. So it's all the little things like that that I really don't like. You know, you can see the retainer right there. You can see these giant gaps. So stuff like that, it's not really that good of a product. The gas door fits okay in here. These lines, like the height, it's a little bit different, but not horrible. The bumper actually does line up pretty good on here, which I was kind of amazed with. Let's go to the passenger side. Same thing, the bumper looks pretty good. This line, this is the one I had a lot of trouble with because the quarter was so much higher than the roof. It looks pretty decent now. I've done a lot of work, but you know, this doesn't look that good. Not everything is perfect. We open up this side and you can see how much more flush this side fits than the other. This line down here, I still don't like whatsoever, but this looks better than the other side. You can't see the retainer up there, so you know, it's like from one side to the other is different. I don't even know why they can't make them the same, but all in all, I would say they're 5 out of 10. If you do enough work, you can make them look pretty good, but you shouldn't have to do that much work. I know that they're sold as, you know, aftermarket race only, but you know, it's just a lot of work in that. If you can't do it yourself, you're paying someone tons of money to make it fit. So they look good now. I was not happy to do all the work to make them fit. The wide body aspect of it looks good. So these are 305 30 19 rear wheels on this Corvette. It has 2-inch spacers. That way that if we ever had to change anything back, we could still run these wheels or sell them to somebody who doesn't have a wide body. So 2-inch spacers with 305 30s 19, and you know, it fills up the wheel well pretty good. It could probably be lowered a little bit more, but you know, these Corvettes are pretty low to begin with. So that is my take on Corvette Creationz wide body rear fenders. And if you want to see all the work that I've done, I have other videos, you know, showing that to begin with. So just wanted to give you a final update on what this looks like.